Vehicle wrap tips for a great design. Your vehicle wrap has about 3 to 5 seconds to make an impact, so the real question is, can people actually understand it that fast? At Sun Control of Minnesota, we design vehicle wraps that aren't just eye-catching. They're built to communicate clearly at driving speed. First, visual hierarchy matters. That just means making sure people read the most important info first. Your business name, then what you do, then how to contact you. Next is simplicity. If a driver has to think too hard, they'll miss it. Clean designs with minimal clutter perform far better than crowded graphics. Then comes placement. Key information should sit where the eye naturally lands, like doors and rear panels, so it's visible from multiple angles. Color and contrast also play a big role. Strong contrast helps your message stay readable even at a distance or in motion. And finally, consistency. Your wrap should match your brand everywhere, so when people see your vehicle, they instantly recognize your business. When done right, a vehicle wrap turns every drive into thousands of impressions, and every impression into potential business. At Sun Control of Minnesota, we design wraps that don't just look good, they're built to get noticed, read, and remembered.